In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create draft listings on eBay. Perfect for beginners who are just starting. Draft listings are a fantastic way to prepare your product details ahead of time without immediately going live. This can be particularly useful if you're managing multiple listings or simply want to ensure all the details are perfect before making your items available for purchase. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll first want to start a new listing. You can do this by logging into your eBay account and navigating to the Sell section. This is your starting point, where you can provide all the pertinent details that describe your product. Don't worry if you don't have all the information just yet. The beauty of creating a draft is that it's perfectly okay to start with whatever details you have at the moment. Next up, you'll need to enter basic product details. This includes information like the title, category, and product specifications that can help potential buyers find your item. Be clear and descriptive with your title, and choose the most appropriate category for your item. Try to include keywords that someone searching for your product might use. The more detailed and accurate you are, the easier it will be for the right buyers to find your listing once it goes live. Remember, you can always come back and edit these details, so focus on getting a decent draft down. You'll have the opportunity to refine it later. Once you've entered some of the initial details, look for the option to Save as Draft. This is usually found at the bottom or top of the page within the listing creation screen. By saving as a draft, you're essentially bookmarking your progress, allowing you to exit the listing process without losing your work. This is especially useful if you are interrupted or need to gather more information before finalizing the listing. Think of it as your safety net, ensuring all the time and effort you've put into crafting the listing doesn't get lost. After saving your listing as a draft, you might be wondering how to access it again. To find your drafts, head over to the My eBay section, which is usually located at the top of the homepage. From there, click on Selling, and then look for a subsection labeled Drafts. Here, you'll find all the listings you've saved as drafts, neatly organized and ready for you to work on. You can make edits, add more details, or even delete drafts that you no longer need. This simple process allows you to carefully consider each element of your listing at your own pace and ensure that everything is as it should be before it goes live. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll become an eBay listing pro in no time.